Hi, hello, this is Tasnia from Department of Computer Science and Designing, and we are going to see about full stack development, and in which unit we are going to cover it as MongoDB, and in that we are going to see about the topic called as MongoDB Shell. What is MongoDB Shell? MongoDB Shell is nothing but it's a command line interface provided by MongoDB to interact with MongoDB instances, and it serves as a powerful tool for performing various database operations such as querying, updating, and managing database collection and documents. Built on top of JavaScript, MongoDB Shell allows users to execute JavaScript code directly, make it highly flexible and versatile. The basic commands and operation which we used for Mongo shell in a command line means show database. It will view the list of database and use the command as show DBS. And switch database. You can switch to a specific database using the command use my database. And show collections. To list all collection within the current database, we can use show collection. And the insert document, we can into a collection, we can use that insert one or insert many methods. And advanced operation beyond the basics Mango shell refers. It also offers a range of advanced operation for managing and querying. A query document you can use the find of method to retrieve the document from a collection based on a specific criteria. And update document is MongoDB provides a method like update one or update many to modify the existing document to update. And delete document, you can use that delete one or delete many method. Next one is a schema initialization and MongoDB Node.js driver. When using the MongoDB, a schema initialization is more flexible since MongoDB itself is schemaless. As I told you in the previous video, you can still enforce the structure and validation in the application code, while the native driver doesn't provide a schema definition like Mongoose does. You can implement your own validation logic. The basic setup with MongoDB is you have to install the MongoDB driver, and you have to connect with your MongoDB database. And next one is a schema installation and validation, which does not enforce schemas, but you can define your schema and code validate your document before insertion. Now you can define a schema, you can create a function and validate your data. Next, how to use insert a document using the validation function before inserting a document. You can use a validate user. Then you can you can use the insert one. You can insert the new user to your database. Okay, now example with this is the usage, and now you can call your create user function after connecting to your database. You're getting my point? Next one, reading from MongoDB. So read a data from MongoDB using Node.js is straightforward. Here is a guide from various read operations including basic queries, which is called as a find all document. Once you connect it to your database, you can read a data from collection using below methods. But one is find all documents or find one document. It retrieve all document, which is if you are using the find all documents. To retrieve a single document, you can use find one document. Okay, here is the simple example. Find all users you can use and retrieve all the users from the collection database. And here find one user, we are specifically mentioned for one user, and we are going to retrieve. Next one, query with condition, which are using the condition called as find user by age. Here age is my condition. To find a document to meet that specific condition, we are using this query with, we are going to use find user by age. Using projection, find user with projection. Okay, which is called it will project to the which name and which where it is coming from. Okay. The next one is a sorting result. We can sort the result based on the field which we are providing. For that, we can use the find user sorted, okay, from the database. And next one is a limit result to limit the number of documents returned. So finding the limited user, we can use the how many number of documents are returned. We can use the limit result. Putting it all together, you might have, like we have seen the simple coding scriptures from that. Here is the entire coding script for using all the reading comments like find all user, find one, find users by condition, find with the projection, and find user sorting, and find limit user. Okay, this is sample code. And next one is the writing. Writing in the MongoDB is simple, straightforward. Here is we are using the inserting a single document. To insert a single document into collection, we are using the insert user, and inserting a multiple document using multiple user, inserting multiple user. And next one is updating a user. We can use update a single document based on the query. We can use update. And next one is the updating multiple document. You can use the update multiple user. Next one is the deleting document. We can use the delete user, and deleting multiple document. You can use the deleting user multiple. Okay. So here all about that MongoDB shell, how you can query and update. So here is the reference, the textbook, and the users from the references. So that's it about the Mango shell. Thank you. Thank you.